Hi guys. So today I'm doing a DIY photo shoot for my son, who will be turning 1 in 2 weeks, but by the time this video goes out he will already be 1. Yeah, so I decided to do a DIY 1 year photo shoot. I didn't want to waste money going to a professional photographer. I've never done anything like this before. However, you know, if you know me personally, you know I like to save money, so I decided to, you know, try and do it myself. I drew some inspiration from Pinterest, Instagram, and my girl Adana. Well, I don't know her personally when I say my girl Adana. So she had a 1-year-old photo shoot for her son, and I really liked the concept, so I drew some inspiration from that. Yeah, so I don't know what I'm doing. I hope it all turns out well. Yes, I decided to film it and share it with you guys, just in case there's somebody out there who's like me, who's trying to save those coins. And yeah, so I hope it turns out well. So let's kick off with what he's going to wear. So I've laid out his outfit. It's pretty simple. So guys, so I've got him a nice bowler hat in grey. So cute. So I bought this from Zara. I need to remove the tag. And it was, I believe it was, oops, where's the price? $7.99. And I got in a size 2 to 4 because he's got lots of hair. The camera's not focusing. Anyway, so that's that. And I got him a nice plain white shirt. And this was from H&M. Nice simple white shirt with a little, what do you call it, tag thing there. So I think it just looks so cute. So I got in a size 12 to 18 months. Ideally, I wanted it in size 18 to 24 months because he's quite a big boy, but they didn't have it, and I was desperate for a white shirt, so I went for that. Then moving on to his trousers. It's got braces on it, and I think it's just so adorable and so cute. I can't wait to see him wear it. So it's a brown pair of trousers really, and I rolled up the sleeves like so. So that's it. He's not going to be wearing any shoes because I want that rustic type of look, and plus he doesn't like wearing shoes anyway. So we are in my living room. Excuse the hot mess. It's a Sunday, so we're all relaxing. Yeah, so basically I bought this backdrop from Amazon. It's very, very short. It's not exactly what I wanted, and it's not the height that I was looking for, but I decided to just work with it. So basically all you need for a DIY photo shoot is a nice backdrop. If you don't want to waste money buying a backdrop, because I have this backdrop because I film videos, so that's why. But if you don't film videos and you just want, you can either get a backdrop, or you can actually use, if you got a good wall at home, then you can actually use your own wall, and then you can put some decoration if you want on it. If not, then you can just leave it plain. But I chose to have this kind of white brick washed, kind of old washed out detail on it, so it looks quite rustic and raggedy kind of look. That's the look I'm going for. Yeah, so this is what the background looks like. So I bought this from eBay. I think it's eBay. I think it was about $3.99. It's really, really dead cheap, but I obviously didn't check the measurement. My stand, I bought it from Amazon, but I can't remember how much it is, but I will link it below. And also, you will need some props. So depending on what your theme is, you can go ahead and get your props. So I decided to get this wooden stool from IKEA. Let me show you. So I got this wooden stool from IKEA, and then I'm gonna throw this some of these fake plastic leaves. I bought this from the range, and I believe this was $2.99. And I've got a helium balloon. Can you pass me the helium balloon, please? So I bought a #1 helium balloon. Oops, the balloon is flying now. Oh my gosh. Let me see if I can get into the shot. So I've got a helium balloon #1. So I'm just keeping it quite simple. I was going to put some balloons around, but I just changed my mind. I'm just going to keep it simple. Guys, I also forgot to mention that you will also need a ring light. You don't need it, but obviously because I film videos, so I use a ring light. Ideally I would use natural sunlight, but because it's we're in autumn now and it's getting darker, so I will be using this ring light just to make the picture nice and sharp and yeah, make it pop out a little bit. So I will show you what the end result is